So yeah, this is the car. I'm going to show you guys the I'm going to record the grocery haul. Okay. Got myself some sparkling cider. I enjoy these. Don't drink alcohol, but I do enjoy these sparkling cider, the setup, the design. So I guess let's go ahead and get started with the grocery haul, I guess. I'll show you guys what things are and then I'll pack them away. I'd rather do this just like I do with the laundry. After I'm done washing, I come home, put them away, so the next day I don't have to worry about it. But yeah, hopefully this gives you some idea. Majority, everything is from Aldi and Costco. So I'll try and tell you what's from Costco and what's from Aldi while I'm going through the tour. Alright, hopefully you enjoy. Hello guys, again welcome to the channel. I'm just going to show you a haul of what I got today. Through my parents blessing me with these grocery hauls, so thank you parents, I appreciate it. So I'll show you what I got and where I got it from. So first things first, let's just go through the bags. You can see my fridge right now. It's empty. Yeah. Actually, let me show you guys real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this bag here because I noticed I have some frozen stuff in there. I got these frozen broccoli from Aldi. They weren't really expensive, like something cents, but I can't recall. My dad has receipts. I don't know. So these are gonna go in here. I also got me some lemon juice. I got me some pinto beans. I have a lot of different type of legumes, but I was missing pinto beans. I tend to get those when I go to Chipotle, so I want to make my own. And then I get these meatless meatballs from Aldi. Thank goodness they're not squashed up. Alright, so then I got this sunflower. Let me bring it closer. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'll try my best to show them to you close up. Then I got this right here. Yeah. So this is the Table Blend salt-free seasoning. yeah, this bag is done. Goal is to keep the bags that are good so I can use them again. Alright, so then another one of those meatballs. This one, I usually get these. No, these right here, the Italian flavor. Alright, and then I got some green onions. What I'm gonna do with these are, I'm gonna chop them up, store them in the top part. Alright, same thing with these. I'm gonna just put these in here. These are the sliced mushrooms. Another one of the meatballs. Favorite orange juice. I get the one with the high pulp. So hopefully you guys can see this too. I'm bringing it close to the camera so you can see it. And if you want to get it from Aldi, you can too. But because you already have some in here. All right. Next, milk. Best find in Aldi so far. The milk. I really hope you guys can see it. Let me just check. Yeah, let me turn on the other light. Okay, yeah, so these right here, hopefully you guys can see a little bit better. These are the bomb. So yeah, I already had some in here, so now I have my parents know that things are gonna last because I barely eat like that, and also I eat only a certain type of thing. So again, that's why I'm truly grateful that they did this for me. The next substitute protein that I get are these right here. I couldn't find the meatless sausage. I'm still looking for them at Aldi, but I couldn't find them. But this one is a better alternative to regular hot dogs. So I really didn't used to like hot dogs, but I like these. yeah, some more of them. Oops. You guys saw that? Some more of the calzones. Alright, and then one more mushroom and one more broccoli. I love broccoli. So this bag is empty. I'm gonna put any wet plastic in here because I gotta make sure they dry. Alright. Next bag. These salads are the bomb from Aldi. Okay. So let me get I got 4 of these. What I tend to do is just grab one and have it for my lunch. So. I might take them to my siblings, but these were from Aldi as well. Aldi is a spot. Okay, so I got another one of the salt-free seasoning blend. Some strawberries. I gotta wash these. Some more strawberries. So I got 3 packs of strawberries. This brand. Alright. And then 1 pack of kiwi. This brand. And it has, you don't tell me? I mean, I could try and figure it out, but, oh, it's 2 pounds, but it doesn't say how many is in there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I would say about 12. Every time I count, I get about 12. So, 12 in here. These will go straight into the fridge. Okay. This plastic bag is dry. Go in there. Okay, so then I got these cookies, Oreos from Aldi as well. They're really bomb, less expensive, but I really like these. I already had some previously in a jar. You will see, but I'm just gonna store them, and you know, they go real quick. So I gotta put these in Alright, so I got these right here from Costco. I haven't had them. I'm not a fan of hamburgers, but I'm gonna try it. It's vegan, so I'm gonna try this. I've heard a lot of good things about Beyond Burger. I was looking for the at least chicken sandwich or something like that, but I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna try this right here and see how it goes. Know me, everything good, blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. Vegan, no soy, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna try it. You guys might see me try it, but that's gonna go to the top. Oh yeah, this is another thing I got from Costco. Okay, I was sold by the picture, but also I had tofu on my list, so I got these right here. They were like $6, and there's a total of 4 containers. It's pretty heavy, so I'm gonna leave this in here as is. I think the ice gotta go. I lost one. Okay. I also got these from Aldi. Blackberries. They're gonna be washed and put in here. Okay. Then, love these. Mango nectar. Oh yeah, there we go. It's a little messy because there's a lot more things than space in the kitchen. Actually, I already have only one left of the guava. So yeah, I got 2 of those. Okay, I also got the everything bagel seasoning. I have some there that I had bought from Ross. Really good. I used to love everything bagel when I was in college. Used to love it from Einstein. So this is the seasoning. I got this from Aldi. I think I got 2 of them. It's gonna go over there by my little setup. I got me some dates. I've been, craving dates. I just, I went and made sure I got them. This is the brand. Okay. Then I got me some raspberries. That's the brand. Again, I'm putting all the fruits here and vegetables there. I got me another green onion. Right now, all I have when it comes to onions are the powders. So now that I got those, I'm going to chop them up and put them away. I also got these lemons. I'm going to wash those as well. This bag is It's going through some stuff, but we gonna keep it. All right. Bags on bags on bags. Okay. So yeah, it is a long haul. It is a long haul. Alright, so I'm leaving the waters for now. I got the Deer Park sparkling water. I love sparkling water. I love flavored water, especially if it's 0 calories. Why not? Why not? So I got these. And then I got the Aldi brand water. Cheap. Does well. I tend to put those in my glass containers and put them outside so that my water can alkalize. So I do that a lot. Just go to Aldi, get some water, take it out of the water bottle, put it in glass containers such as these, and then put it outside for the sun to hit it for several days, a week or two, and then I put them back inside, and then I use them afterwards. So just an idea. Okay. I just want to bring everything close so that these are just extra shopping bags. So let me know, have you ever had a moment where you know you have shopping bags, but then you go to the store and then you have to buy some because you forgot them at home? Where I live, you have to purchase the bags because they're trying to prevent a whole bunch of use of plastic. But if you don't bring your shopping bag, you then gotta buy some. So, alright. So then I got some dry roasted peanuts from Aldi, the honey roasted kind right here. I like these. A lot of these I already bought some last week, but I already have some. I use them for my cereal. I use some in my ice cream because I like a little bit of crunchy flavor on some of my stuff. And also if I'm making any General Tso's type of meal, I use some of this in there because when I go to the restaurant, I tend to see that they have peanuts in the General Tso's or compound, you know, meals. So I have those. Alright, got some chips. I know I'm running out, so thankful. I got these right here. So I got 2 of those. Put this ice over here because it's melting. My favorite chips. I was so upset when the prices went up, so I stopped buying them. But when I went today, the prices went down again. I love these. Plus it has sea salt. Ooh, amazing. I would rather these than those, but so I got 2 of those. Some more, you know, little dressing things for your ice cream, for your cereal, for any little, you know, on top of your smoothie thing. So I got this one. I think I showed you guys, so I got 2 of those. Yeah, I got 2. And these are also good for snacking. Sunflower seeds, really good for snacking. Alright, so you might have seen another one of these. Ooh, I love these. Yeah. Yeah. I put these on. I really hope you guys are seeing this, but I'm only gonna know what after this video is done. But I hope you are. Majority of the stuff I got are for my cereal, my ice cream, dessert, things like that. So when I'm eating my cereal, I tend to put this on it just to give it a little bit of crunch. On top of my ice cream, really great. So I got these. But I'm going to leave them here because I need to go put them in their jars. So, okay. This one was dry as well. So, before I saw the agave mango, my little sister went and got me this one because we couldn't find it. But I ended up buying it anyways because this one has guava and mango together. So I'm gonna try this one, and I, normally don't pick it up, but we gonna see. It's just juice. So this is done. Okay, so I don't know where it left off. The camera just went off, which is really random. But yeah, so my mom put me onto these right here when I went over there on the 20th. And so she was like, oh, next time we go to Costco, you should get your own. So I got this. I might need to go give her 4-pack back, but she had given me 4 packs of this. So, they were really good snack. But they're gonna go over there. So I got these juice right here. I'm not sure again what you saw based on the video so far, but yeah, I got So my mom handed this over to me, and I'm like, oh, this must be soap. Because I did their laundry and everything, so this must be soap. So yeah, so she got detergent for me. Yeah, so thank you, Mom. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Like I said, truly a blessing, and I wish them many more. This is the second one. I'm going to put it up top. I'm not going to take them out. I only want to take them out when it's necessary and when I'm going to use it. So these are from Costco. Tofu. Okay. Pasta. If you didn't see it earlier, these are the spaghetti brand I got from Aldi. Yeah, I had one more left in here, but this was gonna be for like one cook. One meal prep. What would be smart is for me to have something to put this on. Yeah. I don't know. Not to waste any. I think all of this is gonna fit in this thing. Last time when I went, I think, yeah, 2 fit in this jar. If you don't, for those of you that don't, know me like that, I love pasta. I love pasta. I would do pasta over rice, you know. So now I have 2 extra, and I gotta break all of this down so that I can take them out tomorrow. As you can see, okay, but this is empty, so I'm gonna put this one in there. I think these are longer. Yeah, and they're from Aldi as well. Yeah, these are, yeah, this is the one I already had, and this is the one I just got. The extra pasta goes in here with the other pastas. Like I said, I eat a lot of pasta. Well, I don't eat a lot, but you know, when it's my choice, if I'm not making rice, I'm making pasta, or I'm eating some type of bread, you know. So yeah, the cucumbers are gonna go in here. Then with the bread goes in here. Okay, like I said, I already had Oreos in here, but they're kind of slim. These Oreos go by real fast here, really fast. Sometimes I'll be like, what happened? So I gotta, whenever I have visitors, I gotta talk to them about that, right? You're very particular about what you eat. What I'm very particular about what I eat. I tend to tell those around me what I like, so that they don't feel bad if they don't have something I like or not. I gotta take out my jars. Be careful. Ooh. Be careful, Kadi. Again, I didn't buy these. My siblings did, so I don't know where they got them from. But these are some Japanese pastry dessert type of thing. This one is called Adzuki. Okay. And then the second one, I'm not sure if you guys saw this already. The video went off. So I'm just telling you as I go again. And then this is the second one. They told me that they were good. They tried the green tea version, so I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. I tend to not try new things like that when it comes to food, but you know, let's see. Pineapples. I say pineapples because I got 2 and I love pineapples. From Aldi, okay, real good. Then I got mangoes. These were like 70 something cents. Really good. I always get about 10 of them. So yeah. And then the pinto beans. If I have an extra jar, I'll put them away. I tend to put the majority of my stuff in jars. I just like to see them in a clear jar. It looks pretty. Okay. Whew. We're gonna see how we're gonna do this so everything is safe. I'm trying to figure out, I need to do everything that needs to go in the fridge, but majority of the stuff that needs to go in here I need to wash, or at least No, get washed down. Alright, so these are the dry cranberries I already have. And I bought some more. They're kind of going down. So one is gonna go in the jar. Like I said, I needed to buy more because it's done. So I'm gonna put one in the jar and the other one saved. Usually one fits in 2 jars. Let's see. I'm gonna open these because I still have a little bit more left in this jar. So I'm gonna finish these first and then open the 2 that I have. I'll put the cookies, the extra ones away. Try and see if I can fit. Again, if I get more than one of something, I only open one and put it away in the jar and then keep the other until I need to add more. So I got one of these. And another one, so I'm gonna save this one. Really into counting calories and stuff, I would say keep the container it comes in. But if not, put it in the jar. Put it in something that looks cute. Okay, so yeah, I can see what it is. If I want some, I just go and get it from the jar. Look at how pretty that is. So this bag goes in here. So this is the brand I got from Ross. If you can see it, that might have been too close, but yeah, I got this brand from Ross. This is the second bottle. So I'm gonna put these away because I don't have a jar right now to put them in. But if I find one will go into a jar, and then the rest will be stored up where the other crackers and cookies and stuff are at, and chips. Yeah, so the battery's gonna die soon, so I'm rushing a little bit to get things done. Let's just see how it goes. Okay, so I have only 2 left in here, which I got last week from my dad. I got 2, and then today he bought me another pack. I usually get them from Aldi, but these are from Costco. It takes a while for them to ripe up though. This one just finally riped up a week later. So. Yeah, I only have 1 pack of these lemon because I bought I got 2 bottles of the juice form. So I'm washing it underneath the running water and having it sit in the water and then wash it underneath. Best bet if you have hot water, let it sit under hot water, and then you'll see majority of the wax coming off. It is time consuming. I want this stuff to last me a month plus, a month or more. Some of the stuff are not gonna last because I only got 1 bag, but yeah. So that's the look of it, mango and peaches. Mangoes and peaches. was already rinsed by my mom. But I'm gonna just rinse them one more time. Never. It's always good to do it twice. So we're gonna put the strawberries in here. You see me erase it because I already washed these things. That's not gonna work. And if this works, just have to take one out. So I'm gonna open this right here and put some out and store the rest of it. So they come like these in here, perfect for snacking. Alright guys, that was the end of the grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed the grocery haul, and I hope it gave you some ideas as to things you can get from Aldi and from Costco on your next shopping trip. And I hope to see you on the next video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!